It's a pleasure to be here with all leaders from pharma and associated industries. I just want to share how integrated logistics and what Maersk does can help the pharma sector grow in Pakistan. So very interesting introductory talk here. मैं सुन रहा था कि हमारी exports around $600 million plus किए हैं around that. But how can we really push that? How can we really push the paddle to really enhance those exports? So उसका जो answer है उसमें supply chain का role critical है, logistics का role critical है, and I say that with a lot of experience representing Maersk. Maersk is a 120-year-old company. It's a Fortune 500 company. We work with all large pharma players globally, and we've played a key role in promoting exports in our neighboring country, in the Middle East markets, as well as we work with a lot of global players. So Pakistan में while we're working on a lot of improvement, compliance और दूसरी areas की बात हो रही थी, supply chain logistics का role बड़ा critical होगा to really take exports to the next level. So what Maersk does is, while we're known as a shipping company, we're more than that. We have about 700 vessels. We service about 500 ports. And then our role has become more and more important over these last few years, where logistics and supply chain is now back to being a C-level, C-suite discussion. Post-COVID, post-Red Sea crisis, recent geopolitical issues आए, तो supply chain का role बहुत important होता जा रहा है. And the fact is, if you really want to grow our pharma sector, if you really want to give a boost to our exports, find local growth, find efficiency, logistics will have to play a critical role. So Maersk, as I mentioned, we're more than a shipping company. We're 120 years old. We also do a lot of inland logistics, trucking. We've got air freighters. We do a lot of trucking. We have a huge global warehousing footprint, contract logistics footprint. So we do offer that integrated logistics solutions that can really help pharma sector grow. Our purpose is improving life for all by integrating the world. So right now, logistics is quite complex. Multiple vendors, compliance issues, handling issues, handovers, takeovers. Our vision is to create integrated logistics supply chain which is smooth, simple. Imagine a simple highway. Right now, we've got multiple roads, link roads coming in. Logistics बहुत difficult है. हमारा objective, हमारा purpose है, how do we make logistics simple? How do we democratize logistics so that logistics का challenge जो है, if you are to connect with buyers, if you connect with suppliers, it becomes as simple as a matter of clicks. And that's what our vision is, that's what we're working on, and that's how we're helping exports in Pakistan. And we're helping a lot of other sectors do that. I'll come to that a bit later. So our logistics program that we offer is basically into three main categories. Managed by Maersk, which are solutions for proactive disruption response. So control tower, 4PL, help you manage and anticipate challenges. क्या हो रहा है, supply chain में क्या issues हो रहे हैं, क्या logistics में दुश्वारियाँ हैं, real time information आ रही हो, visibility आ रही हो, तो we have that technology. Our transportation solutions, trucking, logistics, our ships, our terminals, they're all connected, and then we offer world-class reliability. Our reliability is the best in the world, so that reliability is extremely vital for pharma sector, as we have seen globally. And then, of course, fulfilled by Maersk, we've got a huge footprint in Pakistan and abroad, warehouses which are connected with technology, supply chain visibility के लिए, and that's vital. So last mile ho, middle mile ho, warehousing ho, cold chain ho, we've got a footprint. We've made significant investments in Pakistan and globally, and we can really help the pharma sector and associate sector leverage that and use that for growing their footprint globally. And then just building on that, our unique differentiators, as I mentioned, connected physical assets, digital platforms, and then insights-driven advice for informed decision-making, strategic collaboration, and then helping you leverage opportunities for growth. Our product portfolio is diverse. We're still seen as a shipping company by many, but we are much more than that. We've got a very strong intermodal product, inland product globally. Pharma exports होती हैं वहाँ पे reliability, timeliness बहुत important होता है. We've got a very strong intermodal product. We've got a very reliable cold chain product. We've got a state-of-the-art warehousing product. We've got strong 4PL logistics systems. आप visibility manage कर सकते हैं, आप monitor कर सकते हैं. तो all in all, pharma industry की जो requirements हैं, उसके लिए उसको cater करने के लिए we've got a portfolio of products that can help you grow locally, as I said, and also internationally. Custom clearance is a big part. Compliance understanding is a big part. So that knowledge, that expertise, that information is critical for pharma players and associated industries, and then we can really help you in that. So Maersk in Pakistan, if you could go back to the slide. So Maersk in Pakistan, previous one. Maersk in Pakistan is, we've got a long history. Our first ships came to Pakistan almost 100 years ago. We're very committed to Pakistan. We've invested in Pakistan for a long time. We've seen a lot of challenges with multinationals looking for exits. We are here for the long term. We want to stay here for the long term, and we're really, really passionate about growing Pakistan, playing a role in Pakistan, and boosting exports. So about 30% of Pakistan exports, we kind of help and enable and facilitate that. So we've got a huge, huge footprint over there. So when we talk about pharma, we can play a key role over there. I'll give you some examples. Pakistan में food wastage बहुत होता है. So we've brought in the technology, we've brought in the refrigerated containers, we've brought in the visibility solutions, and we've given a big boost to that. We've helped a lot of retail lifestyle brands जो US, Europe based हैं, sourcing out of Pakistan. We've helped them source out of Pakistan, giving a big boost to our garments exports, textile exports. We've also done a lot with perishables, meat, potato, vegetables, seafood. तो ये सारा बहुत waste पाकिस्तान के अंदर काफ़ी होता है, potential बहुत है, but we're playing a key role over here, and we plan to continue investing in Pakistan and continue to really help develop and grow our exports. So we've got a strong 800 member plus team in Pakistan. We operate in 6 cities. We've got multiple vessels coming in Pakistan every day, connecting Pakistan to the world, both imports and exports. We've got a very, very strong footprint over here. Apart from our office presence in 6 cities, we've got 20 other facilities across Pakistan. One, of course, our key facility is at Port Qasim. It's a 27-acre state-of-the-art facility, world-class warehousing solutions used by some of the largest global players sourcing from Pakistan. So we are a preferred partner to all these large players. We also have got extensive cold chain footprint. We bring in global technology into Pakistan to make sure, okay, we're meeting global standards. Customers are getting the top quality service here in Pakistan. Yeah. So again, coming specifically to the pharma sector, in pharma, integrity is everything. A vaccine delay or exposed to the wrong temperature can cost lives. So our GPD certified cold solutions, our cold chains can really help. We've, as I mentioned, we've really worked and partnered closely with a lot of exporters in India, exporters in Thailand, Middle East, and really help them grow and gain access to global markets. And we would try and do the same in Pakistan. We've got the technology, we've got the quality, we've got the expertise, and that's something we really want to really push forward and really go ahead with this. So our what we call our Maersk advantage in terms of our pharma expertise, our pharma logistics is built into four pillars. So primarily our expertise, we've got solid reefer expertise, experienced team in 120 plus countries, and then a global cold storage network. We can help maintain product quality, shelf quality, and then of course manage the temperature and cold chain requirements as per the customer's requirements and customer needs. Agility, speed to market is absolutely vital, and that's something we recognize for in terms of giving that reliability to customers, in terms of access. As I mentioned, we cover over 500 ports in the world from via our vessels, and then of course a few thousand other destinations, inland locations. So we can help you access those locations, we can help you access those customers, and then do that with a lot of agility. And then of course visibility. We've got the technology for the kind of tracking that's required. A lot of buyers sitting in US and Europe, they require that visibility 24/7, kya ho raha hai, kya temperature hai, cargo kahan pahuncha hai, and that is vital. That is a vital prereq for getting those large export orders. So enhanced tracking and better control, I think that's one of our USP. And then of course quality compliance. We have strong regulatory compliance, and then we have got experts on board who really help us with ensuring pharma-specific compliance and regulatory requirements are met. And then, of course, all our facilities are certified with global standards and, of course, local requirements as well. Our pharma solutions are based on what are the requirements of the customers. As I mentioned, pharma expertise, end-to-end regulatory assurance. We've got focus on strong quality management and operational excellence. We've got a global reach. Pharma warehouse, our warehouses are GDP certified. So we've got those tools. And one, of course, additional factor that a lot of buyers in the US, Europe, and developed markets are focusing on is sustainability. So we've got this huge ESG focus. So to crack those export markets, to really make an entry into the export markets, the sustainability factor is really, really vital. And this is what we've learned from experience from working with a lot of our partners and customers in the emerging markets. So that sustainability is very important for Maersk globally, to make sure carbon footprint come home, to make sure goods are delivered in a very sustainable fashion. So that is another of our key USPs. So, uncompromised cargo quality from lab to life, that's something that's what our vision is. As an integrated partner, we really help you grow internationally, locally. Supply chain is important, but our experience tells us if you play it well, supply chain can really turn into a strategic advantage. If you can really use supply chain as a strategic advantage, it can really help you penetrate, grow, not only with local customers, I'm talking especially about international customers. And this is where we can really help you unlock that growth, find new opportunities with new buyers, new customers, source in raw materials efficiently, and then continue growing. So we want to be seen as an enabler, as a partner, as a facilitator to help unlock this growth. We're really committed, and we really want to work with the team here, the people here, to really see a pharma sector growing in Pakistan and really aiming for long-term sustainable growth of pharma and associated sector in this market. Thank you very much.